Hi, welcome to our assembly. It's Monday, it's the final week of term, and we are going to spend a little bit of time this week just reading a couple of really lovely Christmas stories, just because it's good fun to read a story, and we know that at Wincham we really like reading. It's one of those really mega important things, and it's just a bit of fun to have a really good story. So I am going to share with you two Christmas stories this week that I really like, just because it's a bit of fun and I like to read stories to people. So let's have a look. Okay, are we ready for our first story? Aliens love Santa Claus. Yeah, you gotta love some aliens, you gotta love Santa Claus, and you've gotta love having your pants. Right, here we go. Right, everybody pick the pair of pants that you think you would like to wear the most. Okay, have you done that? Everybody pick the pair of pants that you think your teacher would like to wear the most. Done that? Well done. Right. Let's see. The aliens are excited as tomorrow's Christmas Day, so instead of stealing underpants, they're giving them away. There's a big string of underpants there, and they've got them all on, and they're carrying them under their arms. They jump into their spaceships, whee, and whiz off to Lapland, full of the Christmas spirit, to give Santa Claus a hand. The aliens read the letters out from all the boys and girls, and just for fun, they had a pair of pants in with their toys. In Santa's busy workshop, they caused lots of jolly snickers when dressing up the little elves in fancy, frilly knickers. Look what the elves are wearing. I wonder if your elf on the shelf has got pants on like that. The reindeer wear their underpants, lit up all bright and glowing, with neon pants to light the way. It helps to show where they're going. Look at that. Have you ever seen a reindeer wearing pants? Great! Santa's nearly ready, but shh, when he turns his back, the aliens swap a spotted pair of bloomers for his sack. Oh my word, Santa's sack is spotty. Ho, 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 laughs Santa, but his smile turns to a frown. He won't be going anywhere. His sleigh has broken down. Oh my word, what's going to happen? It's aliens to the rescue with their spaceship for a sleigh. So reindeer bells are jingling. Here comes Santa Claus. Hooray! It's even on its side, this one. Turn your head to the side. They hover over rooftops, and it really is fantastic how Santa shoots down chimneys on a rope of pants elastic. The aliens follow Santa as he tiptoes to each bed. They take down all the stockings and tie knickers up instead. Taking down the stockings. They decorate our Christmas trees with festive knicker cheer and leave out underpants that say, "An alien was here." Put your hand up and tell your teacher if you've got pants all over your Christmas tree. Wow, what a pants Christmas tree that must be. Then, mission done, they fly back home to plan their next attack. So hold on to your underpants. The aliens will be back. There we go. It is just a bit of a fun story. I really like the Aliens Love Underpants books. I think they're really good fun. There you go. That's it. It's just a nice story because it's good to read stories, and we love reading stories at Wincham. I will see you all around school. Bye-bye.